In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use TikTok Shop Coupons 2026. By the end, you'll know exactly how to claim available coupons and get them to apply automatically at checkout for extra savings. First, open the TikTok app and make sure you're logged into your account. If you haven't used TikTok Shop before, check that your app is updated to the latest version so all the shopping features appear properly. From the main screen, look for the Shop tab. Tap Shop to enter the shopping section. Inside Shop, find and tap the Coupons area. This is where TikTok lists any coupons you're eligible for, including general discounts, product-specific offers, and limited-time deals. When you see the list, tap Claim All to grab every available coupon in one go. If Claim All isn't visible, simply claim them one by one. Keep in mind that coupons may have expiration dates, minimum spend requirements, or category restrictions, so the final eligibility will depend on what you buy. Once you've claimed your coupons, head to the specific item you want to purchase. Browse or search for the product, then tap on it to open the product page. Here, review details like price, shipping, and seller ratings. When you're ready, tap Buy Now. If the item has options, select the variations you need, such as size or color, so your order is correct. After confirming your choice, tap Buy Now again to move to checkout. On the checkout screen, the coupons you claimed should automatically appear and apply to your order if the item and cart meet the coupon conditions. You'll usually see a line showing the coupon name and the discounted amount reflected in your total. Some coupons can't be stacked, so the best discount may be applied by default. If something doesn't look right, double-check the coupon's terms and the item's eligibility. With the discount applied, select your preferred payment method. Make sure your payment details are accurate and up to date, and review your order summary carefully, including item, quantity, variations, shipping fees, and the final total after the coupon. When everything looks good, tap Place Order to complete your purchase. That's all you need to do. Open TikTok, go to Shop, claim your coupons, choose your item, use Buy Now, confirm any variations, and let the coupons apply automatically at checkout before selecting your payment method and placing the order. If coupons don't appear, revisit the coupon section to ensure they're claimed and not expired, and try again with an eligible item. Enjoy your savings and happy shopping.